Now we are going to see the effects of geographical discoveries. Due to the geographical explorations, Atlantic Ocean was discovered, and this provided a new sea route to the east, and soon it became the chief highway of commerce and trade. With this, the Baltic Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, which were the major commercial highways, lost their importance, and this in turn led to the rise of number of commercial centers like London, the capital of England, Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, and Amsterdam, the capital of Holland. The geographical explorations and discoveries produced favorable conditions for the growth of absolute monarchies. As the middle class needed support of the rulers for their protection, they provided finances to the rulers to fight against the feudal nobles, and this helped the monarchs in most of the parts of Europe to establish their political supremacy. The European voyages of explorations and discoveries proved superiority of the West over the East. The Western powers considered themselves to be superior to the natives of Asia and Africa. They did not respect the culture of the natives. They also treated them as uncivilized population. So they took upon themselves the responsibility of civilizing the uncivilized population of the world, and this was termed as white man's burden. The geographical explorations and discoveries led to the colonialism, imperialism, and exploitation. The Europeans immigrated from Europe in vast numbers to the newly explored areas where they founded their colonies, ruled over the natives, and exploited them all round. Thus, colonies were established by the Portuguese, the Dutch. The people living in Holland are known as Dutch, the French, and the English, that is, people living in England, in different parts of Asia, Africa, and America. The geographical discoveries gave rise to maritime activities and trade between Europe and the East. The Europeans began to import spices, Indian textiles, Persian carpets, etc. from the East in large quantities. Similarly, they began to ship huge quantities of fish, fur, and timber from America. On the other hand, they began to export a number of European manufactured goods to Asia, Africa, and America, where the various European powers had set up their colonies. This enormous growth in commercial activities led to the creation of credit institutions, commercial banks, and so on. The imperialist countries also passed the navigational acts to develop the shipping industry, and every effort was made to extract maximum trade concessions from the colonies. The geographical discoveries led to the establishment of Columbian system of exchange. It was a system named after Columbus. Now, what do you mean by Columbian system of exchange? Columbian system of exchange means the plants, animals, and the ideas of Europe and the New World were exchanged with one another. Thus, the European brought cattle, horses, and sheep to the New World, and from the New World, the Europeans received tobacco, silk, spices, and precious stones.